Hi, I'm Tim Tainsh and I'm a member of I Heart Songwriting Club.
I am Tanya. I am Selm and I've just released my new single, Kingsley. My name is ACEKAYS. I am 23.
Well, I just played a set at the I Heart Songwriting Club Showcase on Queen Street Mall.
I can't believe I played in the Queen Street Mall.
It was so exciting doing my own songs and being able to, showcase the songs I've written in the club.
I joined I Heart Songwriting because the idea of writing a song a week and having a 1 hour period and being given a prompt was very exciting to me.
I've been in the club for 4 years and I absolutely love it.
I think I probably knew that I could write songs quickly, but I didn't. And something was stopping me from finishing songs.
I wrote a lot of songs and lots of little ideas, but it didn't take them to fruition.
I'm pretty sure lots of musicians have a book just full of unfinished songs.
I think one of the barriers when it comes to songwriting is yourself.
And belief that what I was writing was worth listening to. And then also definitely writing a quarter of a song and then not continuing with it.
Being able to have written the volume of songs that I've written has just improved me so wholly.
It's improved my head, to be honest.
I would say to anybody who's my age, younger, older, whatever, if you've got a desire to do something creative, and then you should go for it.
What this has taught me is that, no, if you're disciplined about your art and your craft, you can actually, you find the inspiration. You don't wait for the inspiration.
We get to submit a song and other people with fresh ears and different ideas are hearing that idea and then commenting and giving you feedback.
I think it takes away the fear of maybe having to collaborate face to face, especially when you're starting off as an artist. It's great to just have an online platform so that, it's not face to face and you're not feeling so scared.
It gives me a sense of I really have to do this, and honestly now it's just become such a normal thing for me to spend an hour a week just writing a song and uploading it and then giving feedback on other people's songs. So I've definitely been writing so many more songs and have been getting better and better every time.
If you're considering joining the I Heart Songwriting Club, jump on board. It's just well worth the money in the amount of songs that you write and the ideas that you can work with. It's insane, I think, how many ideas you have under your belt to get out later.
If you are interested in songwriting or want to be a better songwriter, you should definitely consider the I Heart Songwriting Club because it will lift your game and it will help bring you alongside people who will be friends as well to give you good feedback.
They are fading.